Welcome to Bridgewater at Viera, your Space Coast social oasis. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more home video walkthroughs, Space Coast community spotlights, things to do, hidden gems, and yes, the occasional dachshund cameo. Picture this: Florida sunshine, resort-style living, and a tight-knit community where your friends might soon be your next-door neighbors, if they're there not already. That's Bridgewater at Viera, an active adult, 55-plus, gated community tucked inside the master-planned Viera area, built by Lenner. Here, life is part relaxing day by the lake, part hanging out in the clubhouse over coffee, and part playing pickleball. So whether you're sipping a latte or smashing serves, Bridgewater feels like summer every day. Location and lifestyle perks. Bridgewater sits on about 408 acres, beautifully landscaped with more than 125 acres of lakes, making it feel like your own little waterfront retreat. Despite being gated and tucked away, it's just a few minutes from major Space Coast spots: I-95, local beaches, the Brevard Zoo, and the Viera Town Center. The vibe is social but relaxed. People gather at the clubhouse, mix at the pool bar, or just stroll the lake paths. Homes and floor plans. What you will find, Bridgewater offers 4 collections of homes, all thoughtfully designed for one-story, low-maintenance, active adult living. Classics: larger, spacious homes, 2,468 east to 2,807, for entertaining, relaxing, or inviting friends over. Grand villas, detached homes, 1,892, 2 and 389 skift, with 2 or 3 bedrooms and 2 to 3.5 baths. Villas, slightly smaller detached homes, 1,593, 1,903 skewed, super efficient but still roomy. Gardens, twin homes, about 1,557 skewed, with 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and nice terraces. Inside, expect quality finishes: quartz or granite countertops, stainless appliances, open layouts, and even smart home features. Some original builds included Amazon Alexa-enabled automation. Amenities: more than just pretty views, Bridgewater is like a resort that doubled as a community center. Here's what people love: a 23,000 square foot town center that houses a clubhouse with social spaces, a theater, craft/card rooms, and a cafe for morning coffee chats. A resort-style pool with lap lanes, beach entry design, and a bar dining area, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Fitness center plus aerobic studio. Stay active and enjoy group workouts or solo sweat sessions. Outdoor sports, tennis and pickleball courts, plus bocce ball. Because it's a 55-plus community, many residents appreciate the mix of social and low-maintenance offerings. Nearby conveniences and area perks. While Bridgewater feels like its own peaceful world, it's still part of Viera, which offers parks, trails, and a smartly designed master plan. For essentials, grocery options, Publix, Aldi, pharmacies, and more are all within a short drive. Medical care? Yep, you've got Viera Hospital and other healthcare providers nearby. Fun things: head to Brevard Zoo or enjoy dining and shopping at Viera Town Center. Outdoor lovers will also appreciate Viera's green spaces and trail systems. Real talk. Market snapshot, your bonus stats. Here's what the numbers are looking like. The bonus I promised at the start. According to ZFC Real Estate, there are homes for sale ranging from about $355K up to $900K in Bridgewater. Their recent data suggests an average asking price of $511 and a recent selling price of $542,818, with a 98% list-to-sell ratio and $174 your SKU FT on average. On 55 Places, they note a price range of mid-300Ks to low 700Ks for resale homes. A specific listing, 1 2-bed, 2-bath, Lajki 1,803 square feet, was recently listed around $450,000. HOA fees? The listing for 2364 Trift Bridge Circle shows $526 a month, which covers things like the clubhouse, pool, fitness, grounds. The works. Who's Bridgewater for day and who might pass? This community is a home run for active adults, 55 plus, who want social plus resort-style living without being stuck in a hotel. People who love organized, maintained common spaces. Think pool nights, card games, cafe hangs. Someone who wants the serenity of lakes plus greenery, but also proximity to Viera amenities and the Space Coast. Folks who don't want to worry about mowing huge yards. Lower maintenance living is baked in. Might not be ideal if you're under 55. This is age restricted. You dream of a huge estate lot or long driveway. This is more resort style, not rural acreage. You want a hyper-low HOA. This one is rich in amenities, so dues reflect that lifestyle. Pro tips. If you're considering Bridgewater, tour the town center. That clubhouse is not just for show, it's where the magic happens. Ask about resale inventory. Since it's resale heavy now, get a feel for what floor plans and price points come on the market. Check the HOA docs. Know what's covered. Pool, fitness, landscaping, and what's not. Look at views. Some homes sit on lakes, others don't. The view affects the price and feel. Consider commute and access. Even though it's peaceful, your errands or beach days should be mapped out. Final word and contact. Thanks for tagging along on this tour of Bridgewater at Viera. It's a sweet combo of relaxing resort-style living, social energy, and true community. If you want help finding a current listing or want to walk through homes in person, virtual or real, I'm down. I've got you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the bell so you never miss a Space Coast Community Spotlight. Website, https. Ashish, Margarett sells dream homes. Com email, margarett.klein@exprealty. Com phone, 321-480-7662. YouTube channel, https:/w.youtube.com at Dreamhead Homes, Space Coast, Florida. I hope to be your go-to Space Coast Realtor. Thanks so much, and talk soon.